Hello and welcome to another Bidify video. In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to upgrade from a Bidify customer to a paid Bidify affiliate. We have three funding options: Bankwire, Solid Trust Pay, and using the Towah gateway, you can use a Visa or a MasterCard to fund instantly. If you're choosing one of the one-time special offer packages and you've forgotten which package you wish to choose, I'll demonstrate where you can locate that. Simply go to the How It Works tab. Click down on Online Presentation. When the presentation opens, just start the presentation and click over to, I believe it's slide 12. So we'll take a look at that. Yes, it was slide 12. Okay. So here you can see the special product package offerings. Remember, these are a one-time special offer. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to select the 250 euro package, or that's what I'm going to upgrade this customer as, a 250 euro package. So including the 100 euro affiliate upgrade cost, the one-time cost, and the 250 euro package, you would know that you need to fund your Bidify account with 350 euro, and you can simply fund it at once using either Bankwire, Solid Trust Pay, or the Towah gateway. Remember, the Towah gateway using Visa or MasterCard is the only option that's instant funding. So you could very well fund this for 350 euro. Simply go in, purchase the upgrade, then you would take the compliance course and then select the one-time package for 250 euro. So now we're ready to begin the upgrade process. We know what package we're going to choose, and I'm going to simply go up to the login button because this customer has already registered. So we're simply going to log in to her customer affiliate area. And this is a very cool demonstration because I want to mention that during the pre-launch phase, we had free affiliates. And we no longer offer the free Bidify affiliate positions, only free customers, and that's why we're in a customer area. So when Bidify launched and went live, this free affiliate was turned into a customer, okay, a free customer of Bidify. But what I want to point out is, while she was a free affiliate, she actually sent out her referral URL, and someone signed up as an upgraded Bidify affiliate. It looks like they actually chose the 1,000 euro package because she earned commissions. Now you see 40 euro in commission because 10 would have gone into her mandatory account. But in this case, needless to say, she already has 40 euro still in her cash account. So to upgrade her as an affiliate, she needs to put an additional 60 euro to make 100 euro to be an upgraded affiliate, and then an additional 250 euro to select the 250 euro package that she's going to choose to upgrade as to begin building her business at the 250 euro package level. So now it's time to upgrade her as an affiliate. And again, I'm going to do this demonstration in three stages. So here she'll just simply click on Become an Affiliate, and then in the sublink, Upgrade to Affiliate. And you can see here all purchases are paid for using money in your cash account. So we can see that she has 40 euro in her cash account. To load your cash account, click here. We have to put an additional 60 euro in this cash account. So she has enough to make the affiliate purchase, which is 100 euro. So in this stage, I'm going to load the account using Towah. So simply click on the Towah tab. You can see now the whole folder or the whole tab is green now, and we're account loading via Towah banking. So I'm going to put 60 in here, 60 euro. And I just want to mention that when using Towah credit card loading, there's a 5.9% fee. Okay, so now 60 is in the amount. I'm going to click Next. And it says you're about to load your account using Towah banking with 60 euro. And now I'm going to click Load Account. So now we're at the Towah payment gateway page. And when you begin this process, be sure to click Payment Methods, credit card or debit card. And that's what we'll be using, a Visa card. And you can see that the 5.9% has been added in here. The total charge will be €63.54. And I'm going to click Continue. And now we're going to process the Visa credit card using the Towah gateway. So at this point, we'll enter all of our information. Please be sure to put your phone number in the proper format with a plus sign in front of it, and then simply press the Continue button when you're ready to move along to the next screen of the processing. So we'll simply press on Continue, and now we're going to arrive at a page that's going to ask us if we're an existing Towah Club member or we need to apply for a Towah Club membership. In this case, we need to apply for a Towah Club membership. So we'll simply click on this button right here, and this will allow us to register as a Towah Club member. Now, once you put all of your information into this page and you press the register button, your payment will be processed. So now that we've clicked on the registration button, you can see that you're being taken to a page that asks, do not press any keys while your payment is being processed, as it may stop the session, and it can take up to 1 minute, so please be patient. Let that page time, and as the page begins to time, we should arrive at a payment successful page. And okay, let's see what it says. Payment successful. Now at this point, you'll want to print out a receipt or make a copy of it, but I'm going to return to Bidify. Now that I'm at Bidify, I'm going to log back into Danielle's account so that we can check and be sure that the 60 euros arrived in her account and now totals 100 in her cash account. So now that we're logging in, we can clearly see that the cash account now has 100 euro in it. Fantastic. Now that was really easy. Now that there's 100 euro in the cash account, we can simply upgrade as an affiliate. So we're simply going to scroll back down to Become an Affiliate. In the submenu, Upgrade to Affiliate. Once we're on the Upgrade to Affiliate page, it indicates that your current cash account balance is 100 euro, which is exactly what we need to upgrade. And you can see we have an electronic signature agreement in here, right? So you might want to scroll down and read that agreement. Once you have, simply check the box and then click the Upgrade Now button. So let's click on that Upgrade Now button, and you can see that the affiliate package total price for the euro is 100. Thank you for choosing to pay with your cash account. Your total current cash account is 100 euro, and here we go. We'll just finalize the purchase by clicking Purchase. So now that we've completed the purchase, you can see that it is no longer a customer area, but an online office. This is your Bidify business area. At this point, we must move forward after we take the compliance course. Now, there's just a couple of things that I want to point out here. You can see that we've successfully upgraded and we've depleted the 100 euro that were in the cash account. This is just a quick snapshot right here. The compliance course is not completed. The new upgraded affiliate is not qualified. The maintain by simply means that the next 20 euro monthly payment must be made by June 12th, because today is May 12th. And if you click this little down arrow, you can see a little more information, a little snapshot overview of your account. You can see that she has no personal volume yet. She'll get that once she chooses the middle of the road 250 euro package. Her group volume now is 50, because remember, she had an affiliate who upgraded while she was in the pre-launch stage. Before she upgraded to an affiliate, she had an affiliate upgrade. So she earned commissions. You can see she has no sample bids yet, no bonus points yet. Her mandatory account has 10 euro in it because that's what she earned towards her membership. She had been given 30 retail bids when we had originally signed up as free affiliates back in the pre-launch phase. Now we only get 25. And you can see that she's been busy because she's got 3 referrals so far. So this is really great. Now I'm going to close this snapshot and I'm going to move forward because this account, I'm going to have Danielle come over right now and take the compliance course. And you can see here, it just says click this link to do your compliance training course now. When you have completed the training, click here. So I'm going to have Danielle come over and take this compliance course now because you can't do anything else as far as purchasing a package of sample bids and card or sample bids or anything for that matter until you complete this course. So here we go. We're going to click this link to do the compliance course, and we'll have Danielle come over now. And you can see you're in your compliance course, your study plan. Welcome new Bidify affiliate. We're so happy you have joined. By completing the training below, you'll activate your affiliate account. This is the very first step in an exciting journey. Ready to get started? Begin by clicking here. So I'm going to click there. And now we're going to have Danielle come on over and take this lesson. Simply click Take Lesson right here. And this is not but about 15 minutes, so we'll be back after Danielle completes this course.
Welcome to Bidify.
And there's a pause button right here, and you can move back and forth through all of the slides. Be sure to watch each and every one. And then when you're down at the bottom, you'll take a quiz. It's just a simple 8-question quiz. So we'll have Danielle come on over, take this, and we'll be back as soon as the quiz is completed. Okay, now that Danielle has completed her compliance course, we can just simply move along and click Finish. Once we click the Finish button, we get a little congratulations screen. Bidify is a vehicle that can transport your dreams, so take good care of it by doing your part. You know, if you didn't get anything out of this tutorial, that is such a powerful statement. Okay, so as we move forward with this presentation, we're going to simply just click off on this. We'll click the Advance button and then finally click Exit. Use this tool to exit the presentation. Click Exit now and close this presentation. Great. The content has ended. You may close this window now. So let's close that window. And now that you can see we have a little ribbon here, let's simply log off from the study plan and go back into the back office. And log in. And you can see that compliance was approved. So now we're going to need to fund the cash account. Again, this customer is fitting in at €250 package, which is 150 sample bids and the prepaid MasterCard. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and we're going to fund the account via Solid Trust Pay with €125 and also Bank Wire with €125, so we can demonstrate all 3 of our pay-in solutions as we initially funded the account immediately with a Visa card through the Towah gateway. So we'll simply click on the Accounting tab and then Account Loading. And you can see now that this takes us to the loading methods that we have available. 3 pay-in solutions: Bank Wire, Solid Trust Pay, and the Towah account. We already used the Towah account, and take notice that when we processed this Towah payment, it caused us to create a free Towah account. So we now have a free Towah account, and when we select the package for a prepaid card, it will send us a card. And in the immediate future, we should upload our Know Your Client docs or KYC docs, a photo ID such as a driver's license or passport, and perhaps a utility bill to prove your address, or a bank statement or mortgage statement. So right now we're going to move forward with a bank wire. And with the bank wire, we're going to fund the 125 euro portion of the 250 euro package. Before I go ahead and enter an amount in this field right here to load with bank wire, I just want to point out once again that the cash account is now empty. So we're going to load cash in here. This affiliate is going to purchase the 250 euro package because that's where they fit in. And what I'm going to do is demonstrate putting that $250 in using both bank wire and solid trust pay. Remember, I said this will be a 3-stage tutorial. And I'm going to fund with 125 euros with bank wire. So I'll enter 125 in here. And then I will come back and demonstrate solid trust pay. So again, the 10 euro transaction fee will be added to this amount. So I've entered 125, and now I'm going to click Next. So now that I've clicked Next, it's asking us to confirm the information below before we click Register the bank wire. So here you can see you check all of your information and then register the bank wire, and it can take up to 7 business days. So now that I see that all the information is correct, I'm going to click on Register bank wire. Now remember, we're going to make this payment and we're going to get instructions on how to send the payment. You must mark your payment clearly with your unique transaction ID that's assigned to the payment that's going to come after I click Register. So let's go ahead and click Register right now. And you can see that the date, the transaction ID number, this transaction ID number must be marked clearly on your bank wire in the notes. Okay? Now the status is pending. It will remain pending until the company has received the money and has entered it into our cash account. Okay, and again, that can take up to 7 days to clear. So what we're going to do now is, we can see the transaction ID is here. We're going to click the print button right here. And you can see that that's downloading right now. It's downloading onto my desktop. Now that it's downloaded, it automatically opened. You may have to go retrieve it. I'm using a Mac. So here you can see that the wire transfer instructions are printed. You can print them, or you can just read them right here, keep them downloaded to your desktop. Each wire transfer requires a separate reference ID to be used. Okay? And here's the information. So now you take this document or information and you go over to your bank. And here's the information, the account holder, who you're sending it to, their address, their bank's name, their country, their account number, their IBAN number, their SWIFT code, and it tells you the amount. Note to receiver. Here is the refer ID. This must be entered in the notes of your wire from your bank. Okay, so just take this off to the bank, and now I'm going to execute this wire for this customer that's upgrading, and then I'll come back in stage 3 and demonstrate how to load with solid trust pay. But remember, this bank wire will take up to 7 days to reach the company. Okay, I closed out those screens. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to fund with solid trust pay. So depending upon where you are, remember, this will be remain pending until the money's received. Let's just say you came in to use solid trust pay. I clicked on the home button. I'll go back to accounting. I'll go back down to account loading in the sub menu, and we'll be back on this page right now, and you can see that we're loading right now. And now I'm going to demonstrate, and you can see still there's no cash in this account yet until the company receives it. And now I'm going to demonstrate how to load with Solid Trust Pay. Very straightforward as well. So I'm going to click on the Solid Trust Pay tab. Again, here there is also a €10 transaction fee associated with loading through Solid Trust Pay. So I'm going to enter 125 euros because with the bank wire and the Solid Trust Pay payments, that will equal 250 euro, which we'll see in the cash account, and then we'll be able to purchase the 250 euro package. So now I'm going to click Next. And once again, it's going to ask us to verify all of the information on the page. And once we see that all of the information is verified, just simply go down to Register Payment, and we'll get all the information we need on the Register Payment screen. So I'll click on Register Payment, and you can see now that the newest loading method is right here, and it's also pending. It will remain pending until the cash reaches the company. Here's the transaction ID, amount, and the method. And what I'm going to do here also, like we did with the wire, is click the print button. This will open up the instructions. It'll download the instructions to your desktop. You may have to go and retrieve them, or it may open for you as it did for me with my Mac. Needless to say, here are your Solid Trust Pay transfer details. You must transfer funds in euro only. You can log into Solid Trust Pay right here. And the receiver's account number, you're sending the money to Skyfree, the amount, and this transaction ID must be in your notes. The transaction ID associates the payment with your ID, your customer name. So that's all you have to put in there. Okay, mark the transfer with the transaction ID. Once it's complete, it usually takes up to 24 hours to the funds to be credited to your Bidify account. And you'll find it in there, and then you can make your purchase. So I'm going to close this window out now, the instructions for this window. I'm going to close the download, and now you can see that, again, there is no euro yet in the cash account. So we're going to come back after the bank wire is loaded and after the Solid Trust Pay payment is loaded. That will total 250 euro in the cash account, and then we'll conclude this demonstration by purchasing the 250 euro package. Okay, we are back a few days later, and our account is loaded. In the last stage of this tutorial, I demonstrated loading the account after upgrading to affiliate with 125 euro via bank wire and 125 euro via STP. And as you can clearly see, we now have 250 euro in our cash account. So what I'm going to do now, and remember, this is a one-time offer. So follow this cursor down to the Bidify web shop right here. When you click on this link, you can see we have a selection of products to purchase. If you purchase any one of these products other than the one-time offer, the one-time offer will go away. It's optional, but again, it is recommended. So I'm going to click on one-time offers, and as you can see, it's indicating that my current cash account balance is 250 euro. And if you did not have euro in here for whatever reason, you would just simply click here to load your account now, and you can use any one of the pay-in solutions. So now that we have 250 euro in this account, and you can see the selection of 5 packages, with the 250 euro, we are going to select package 3. Now you can see package 3 is 250 euro. This customer, or this affiliate, is going to receive the prepaid MasterCard, and they're also going to receive 150 sample bids. So I'm simply going to click the Purchase Now button right here. And once we make that purchase, you can see that there's a payment summary that displays. And it's for package number 3 at a cost of 250 euro for the MasterCard and the sample bids. The total is 250 euro. And it says, thank you for choosing to pay with your cash account. Here is the purchase button to finalize the purchase. So we're going to click on purchase. Upgrade was successful. All purchases are paid for using money in your cash account. And now again, if you're going to perhaps maybe buy more sample bids, and we know that we can purchase up to 25,000 sample bids annually, you would simply click here to load your account. And if you were going to buy a large amount of sample bids, you'd more than likely want to use the bank wire, as that will be the most economical way to get those funds into your cash account. Up here you can clearly see that your the cash account for this client is now 0. Right here at the bottom of the snapshot is a little arrow. When I click on the down arrow, you can see that this customer, this affiliate, I'm sorry, now has 50 PV from the package. They also have 50 GV, because remember, this customer during the period when we went live already had an upgraded customer, so that generated 50 GV for them. And you can see that they have 150 sample bids. They've earned some cash from that first client that they had during the pre-launch phase, and there's the 10 euros there. 30 retail bids were also taken in from the original free affiliate purchase or upgrade. And finally, they have 3 referrals. So this account is qualified and ready to begin receiving daily cash rewards. So to recap what we've covered in this tutorial, we took a customer who was actually a free affiliate during pre-launch, who was then downgraded to a customer when Bidify went live for the first time. This free affiliate during the pre-launch phase had successfully signed up a paid upgrade affiliate, so there were commissions earned. When they were downgraded to customer, we went through the process of upgrading them to paid affiliate using the Towah gateway and a Visa card. Once we funded with the 100 euro, we upgraded the affiliate, the customer to affiliate. We then had the client take the compliance course. Once the compliance course was complete, and then we came back in stage 2 and 3, and we loaded the affiliates, the new upgraded affiliates cash account, with solid trust pay and also bank wire. And then finally, to conclude the tutorial, we then made the purchase for the 250 euro package, package number 3. So at this point, this new affiliate is ready to begin earning daily cash rewards from the bids and auctions. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you on the next show.